Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is JT3, a very cheap budget headphone from FIIO, and I am very excited to test this headphone because it's been a very long time since I had tested a very budget headphone. So this is going to be a new popular from FIIO. So without further delay, let me unbox it and then I will review it. Hi friends, actually I didn't wanted to make my first impressions video now. I wanted to use it directly and just make a review video. But because I have just unboxed it and I am absolutely surprised to see the quality of this headphone. Like I don't know how will it sound later, but even if I don't have the sound quality now, it is absolutely magnificent. Like you can see, I have never seen a headphone pad like this before. This is absolutely amazing, very soft, and I have actually never used a lengthy AirPad headphone before. Like it is very lengthy in shape, like its AirPads are also very lengthy and they are very soft, one of the softest I have seen in any headphone, and the quality is absolutely impressive. And on top of that, when I look at the price, it is absolutely insane. I don't have actually words. This could have easily been a $150 or $200 headphone, but like, so I wanted to make a comparison video of JT1 and JT3, but now I think they both are different. If you have JT1, you can get this JT3 too, because I think they both are very different in its characteristics, because that one had very different earpads and very roundy shape to it, but this one has a very X shape to it, and they both are very different. I was absolutely not expecting this to surprise me. Actually, I am not very good at doing first impressions, so that's why I usually do not make first impressions section. I just directly use it and record a review video directly. But because this has really impressed me with its quality and I am really liking it, that's why I wanted to share my surprise reaction as well. So only one word: impressive, very soft. So I hope it does sound good and I will recommend it. Friends, welcome to my review section. The review is going to be very short and precise so that it is easy for you guys to understand it better. This is for your information that I am making this review video 2 months after I unboxed it. And my first impression or direct recommendation after using it for 2 months is that it is a value for money product. Go buy it and make sure you use the discount code in the description to get it more cheap. It's available on AliExpress and I will provide you a discount code so you can get it more cheaply. Let's start the actual review. I think it didn't get the hype it deserved, and the reason for that is that FIIO didn't market it well, because at the same time they launched the JT7 headphones as well, which were priced higher than this but still fall within the budget range. Anyway, the point I'm making is that these are extraordinary headphones. It does not look like they are officially priced at just $72 from any angle, because look wise They look great and feel expensive too. They are very comfortable even when you hold them in your hands. They give you a very premium feel. I am absolutely not exaggerating. I have another pair of headphones I'm going to review which are priced at 500 US dollar. So I just wonder what it would be like if a budget headphone worth just 72 US dollar could impress me so much. Sometimes it happens that even the most expensive items don't perform to their full potential, but here JT3 is proving it's more than it's worth. Now I hope you can understand my point. Well, right now I am going to divide this review into two parts. One will be for those who are looking for a good pair of headphones and they don't have much in audio gear. It's like they are newbies. The other part will be for those who are audiophiles and have audio gear, or those who are collectors and gadget lovers. I am going to present a different review because these things matters a lot. Your priority matters a lot. So my recommendation for collectors is that you won't regret buying it. It's already very cheap, and it has a different sound quality than JT1, and the look is also very customized and unique. Now, as far as other people are concerned, so for your information, please note that in terms of overall sound quality, the JT1 is better than JT3. So if you are looking for only one budget headphone from music point of view, then in my opinion JT1 has more depth and detail. So let me do a small comparison of the two for you guys to understand it better. JT1 headphone has a very prominent sound, very focus based sound quality, more towards your ear, a complete forward sound directed towards your eardrum, loud and fast sound. On the other hand, in JT3 the sub bass is prominent with depth and detail. The main bass is not forward or directed towards the ear, it spreads in every direction. It has a very soft sound quality, very smooth, but the volume of JT1 is louder than JT3. For JT3 you may need a smart dongle, for example Snow Sky Melody. For me, I am happy without using any external source. At the end, it is enjoyable too. So if you only have a budget for one headphone and your only preference is sound quality, then buy JT1. But if your budget is for both, buy both of them as they are exceptional. Let me add a little more detail now. When you hold JT1 and use them, you will feel that it's a 65 US dollar budget headphone. But with JT3, it absolutely does not feel like a 72 US dollar headphone. It feels more than 100. I don't think anyone else has explained things the way I am explaining it to you guys. I want there to be no room for doubts in your mind before making a decision. So here ends my review. My recommendation is that you guys should definitely buy it. I'm going to give you a discount code in the description. You must apply it to get it more cheaper. Thank you for joining. Have a good time.